Discord server because I said I was 2 years old.
Hot take. I fucking hate cursing.
So when I was walking home from school today, I saw a silly guppy!
I know it was you who escaped the fucking basement. Yeah, I know.
I was born at a very young age. The first 2 years of my life, I couldn't even walk.
I hate tomatoes. Oh, if you hate tomatoes so much, let's cross about you! Wait, what? No. No! Get those tomatoes away from me!
If you are those people who see my posts, and then after a few minutes you see it's gone, you never saw it. Have you ever looked at a guy's ass and just thought, damn? Now imagine if that was the other way around. Have you ever looked at a guy's ass and just thought, damn?
I fucking hate my classmates.
Baby boo syndrome. No, this isn't a joke.
LARP, 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 Sahur. Holy LARP.
Does anyone else just... Wait, what the... Is that a bunny?
You know those rants where there's this animal that comes running, and it's all HHH, it's not funny anymore. It's so unoriginal, bro. Wait, what the actual fuck is that thing?
I want banana.